Hi guys, and thanks for watching. In this video we're going to show you how to import contacts into IMAX CRM. Before we even get started, you should have an import file ready to go. What I mean to say is most systems out there that hold on to your contact records have a way of exporting those contacts and letting you take them with you. So once you've exported them, typically they'll give you some sort of spreadsheet, usually in a CSV format. IMAX CRM can import a CSV file or a standard Excel spreadsheet, either one. So if you already have that, just go ahead and get started. So once you're in your dashboard, go ahead and click on Contacts off to the left-hand side. Then click the Import button. From here, you want to select your spreadsheet just by clicking Browse, choose your spreadsheet file, and then hit Next. On the next screen, we're going to map fields. So mapping fields means the field that I have in my previous system was called this, and then it's up to you. Like, I mean, there's a human aspect that we need to decide, okay, that field in that previous system means this in IMAX CRM. If you're not sure which fields are in your spreadsheet, you can click on any of these fields that say not mapped, and these little drop downs, and they'll give you a list of all the fields that you have here. So for example, I have a first name field. If I want to map that, or if I want to make sure that comes in, then I just need to scroll down to where the first name field is. So here's F's, here's first name. I can click on this and say, okay, so first name in IMAX is first underscore name on my spreadsheet. Some fields will map automatically. For example, look at the email field. I didn't select that one. It just came in automatically because it was named. IMAX was smart enough to say, oh, that one is the email. I'm just going to go ahead and assume that means email. So you want to make sure you kind of review these and select the correct field to map. So for example, last name, I can say, oh, that's last name here, and so on. So you're going to go through this entire mapping process, make sure all your fields that are important to you come over. And then once you're done, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you have a couple of options under import mode. Most of the time, you're just going to select normal import. This will import your contacts. If it recognizes there's other triggers or other automation you have set up in IMAX to do, it will handle those things. I'm going to go ahead and click on normal and hit submit. So I have it about 500 contacts. It's basically letting me know your import job is in the works, and we'll let you know when it's done. But if I come over to my contacts records, if you can see, I just loaded it. It says there's 54 contacts in there now. I only had one to start with, and I'm importing 500. So a lot of these are being imported as we speak. First name, last name, and email is here. I didn't do any other mapping, but everything's coming through nicely. Just going to refresh this one more time. If you can see now, there's 150. So this thing is working behind the scenes as time goes on. So that's how you import contacts into IMAX CRM. Thank you so much for watching.